Hello, today's application that I'm going to be talking about is app limits. App limits is a self-explanatory app it's in the settings of your iOS, which limits the amount of time you spend on an individual app. I tend to find myself procrastinating, scrolling through Twitter or Instagram. You can customize the settings however you need it to be, but for me, I set it to 1 hour a day on Instagram and Twitter. And if I have to go on it longer than that, it's because I've got work to do on there or some people I need to speak to. If I turn it off completely, it may be because I've done all my tasks for the day. Another hack that I learned is that I used to click the Twitter icon habitually because of the placement of where it was on my home screen. I would simply click the button without thinking and spend too much time in there and go off course. So I put Twitter on the second page of my home screen so I can consciously remind myself of the act I'm going to be doing before doing so.